Let's talk about panheads.
All right, so panheads, here we go. This is pretty cool. So, just gonna move this.
Not that we see a lot of panheads around here.
This is one of our NOS panheads. All right, this one is from Panhead generation. So this was March of 1960. So this was actually NOS panhead from a period where they were actually still producing panheads. But the real special one is in this box, which is, we open up here, check it out.
Says hog on it.
Dash 55 right. Cylinder head assembly.
Okay.
Let me open this guy up. I'm going to pull out this beautiful specimen. Brass still shining, gleaming. Look at this thing. But this was produced in December of 1968. Look at that. Or no, actually, A, B, C, D, E. So this is May 12th of 1968. That's when this one was.
And for those of you watching that don't know, there was no such thing as a panhead in 1968.
Yeah. So look at the fit and finish. Look at the quality. Look at how kind of gnarly that is. Mm-hmm. Look at kind of like how, oh, look, has the outside oiler boss, because they weren't doing the non-oiler bosses, but they weren't drilling it, right?
Nice.
Look at kind of how clumsy that is. Look at the thickness there and the thickness there, just kind of how clumsy that is. And then look at this. Look at this one, produced in 1960. This is very even, really nice. Machining is all perfect right there. Thickness is almost consistent. Everything's super nice. So obviously they were phoning it in 68.
All right. What else we got in there?
Oh, we got some more stuff. Oh, wait. This is the fun fact, dude. Bro. What do we got here? We got the Milwaukee newspaper.
Milwaukee?
What?
Nixon plans to...
Saturday, June 5th, 1971.
Draft curbs.
What, bro?
Oh, man. You get drafted?
I better not be.
No pan left behind.